Do you think crypto taxes are unavoidable? The HMRC in the UK recently increased capital gains tax to 18 and 24%, dependent on your earnings. But what if I told you there's a legal way to invest in crypto completely tax-free? In today's video, we're talking about investing in crypto through stocks and ETFs that can be held in tax-efficient accounts like ISAs and SIPs. I'll give you 3 options to invest into and avoid the tax man. And I'll finish the video off with every single way you can legally avoid crypto tax here in the UK. But first, we'll get into why traditional crypto investing gets taxed. I'm personally not a fan of the tax system in the UK and other countries, but I do think with enough education, there are several ways to be tax efficient. So despite the negative topic, my intention is to sprinkle a little bit of positivity on this miserable dark cloud that hangs over us crypto investors. The thing is, some crypto investors will try and get away without paying a penny. Some will move to Dubai or similar to ensure their crypto profits are tax-free. This info is for anyone like me who's going to pay the tax they owe, like a good little boy or girl. If you buy and sell crypto directly, HMRC considers every trade a taxable event. Even swapping from one crypto to another is subject to capital gains tax. The problem, you pay tax when you cash out, you pay tax even when moving from Bitcoin to Ethereum, for example. There's no easy way to avoid it if you're staying in the UK, unless you invest in crypto indirectly through stocks and ETFs inside a tax-free wrapper like a stocks and shares ISA or a self-invested personal pension. I use both of these tax-free wrappers, but for the purpose of today's video, I'll focus on how to invest inside a stocks and shares ISA. Now, let's go through 3 assets that give you exposure to crypto without having to pay any crypto tax. These can be held inside an ISA or SIP, meaning 0% tax on gains, 0% tax on dividends, and 0% tax on withdrawals. Investment number 1 is Coinbase stock. Coinbase is considered a strong investment by many investors due to several key factors, including its market position, revenue model, regulatory positioning, and exposure to the growing cryptocurrency industry. Here's a breakdown of why Coinbase stock is often seen as a really good investment. Reason 1, it's a market leader in crypto exchanges. Coinbase is one of the most well-known and trusted cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, particularly in the US where regulatory scrutiny is high. Unlike many offshore exchanges, Coinbase is publicly traded and follows strict regulatory guidelines, making it a safer bet for institutional investors. Reason 2, revenue model and profitability potential. Coinbase earns a significant portion of its revenue from trading fees, which fluctuate with crypto market activity. Coinbase is diversifying its income through staking, cloud services, and custodial solutions, creating more stability. Coinbase provides custodial services and crypto trading for large institutions, which could grow significantly as more businesses integrate into crypto. Reason 3, growth potential from crypto adoption. As digital assets become more widely adopted, Coinbase benefits from increased trading volume and institutional involvement. The approval of Bitcoin ETFs and growing institutional interest in crypto could, should, and will drive Coinbase revenue even higher. There are loads of reasons, and this is why it's one of my main positions inside my ISA. Before we move on any further, I want to tell you that this video doesn't contain any financial advice. Please read the full disclaimer below in the description. As always, I'm just trying to help you with my 8 years of experience as a crypto investor. Investment number 2, MicroStrategy stock. This is another stock I personally own inside my ISA and my SIP. I've done it simply to get more exposure to Bitcoin. MicroStrategy has become one of the most unique stock plays in the market, acting as a leverage bet on Bitcoin. Here's why investors see it as an attractive investment. 1. The ultimate Bitcoin proxy investment. Largest corporate holder of Bitcoin. MicroStrategy owns over 500,000 Bitcoin as of early 2025, making it the biggest publicly traded company holding Bitcoin. Bitcoin as a reserve asset. Instead of holding cash, MicroStrategy converts excess capital into Bitcoin, betting on its long-term appreciation. Stock moves with Bitcoin. MicroStrategy often outperforms Bitcoin during bull runs due to its leverage exposure, making it an attractive alternative to buying Bitcoin directly. 2. Business fundamentals and cash flow. Low operating costs. The company keeps expenses low, allowing it to continue accumulating Bitcoin. Debt financing for Bitcoin purchases. MicroStrategy has issued debt, including convertible notes, to buy more Bitcoin, enhancing potential upside if and when Bitcoin surges. Now, ChatGPT has kindly offered me some more reasons to buy MicroStrategy, but I'll leave it there. If I'm being honest, I don't fully understand the ins and outs of what Michael Saylor is actually doing and how he's managed to buy so much Bitcoin. I've watched several videos, read several articles, and I just don't fully understand it, if I'm being honest. Long story short, it gives me more exposure to Bitcoin and I can do it tax-free. Investment number 3, VanEck Crypto and Blockchain ETF. Another investment I have inside my ISA. Finally, if you want broad exposure to the crypto space, there's the VanEck Crypto and Blockchain ETF. If you want crypto exposure, but you're risk averse, you can still invest via an ETF. This spreads out your risk. Now, if you're not sure what ETFs are, I'll leave a video below that gives you all the info you need. This ETF holds companies involved in crypto mining, blockchain tech, and digital assets. It's a diversified way to get exposure without holding crypto directly. I'm not going to try and pull the wool over your eyes. I don't consider myself to be an expert investor, but I am experienced. And with my experience, knowledge, my gut feeling, I know that investing in the future is going to secure my family's financial future. Investing in crypto stocks, in crypto ETFs, means a bare minimum of early retirement. What do you think? Are you investing in crypto and things like tech stocks or even AI stocks? Let me know in the comments below. Or are you on the technology stroke crypto fence and your preference is to invest in the S&P 500 or similar? How to invest tax-free step by step. Now that you know what to invest into, here's how to do it step by step. First, you open the Stocks and Shares ISA or a SIP through platforms like Vanguard, Hargreaves and Lansdown, Interactive Brokers, or maybe Trading 212. Search for Coinbase, MicroStrategy, or VanEck, UKIT's crypto ETF, or similar. Buy and hold inside your ISA or SIP. It's really as simple as that. All I would say is to fully research what platform to use. I like Hargreaves and Lansdown because it's easy to use and it offers several options to choose from. But I am aware that there are platforms with low costs. So look into it and make sure whatever platform you choose is right for you. If you invest this way, you're talking no tax, no HMRC headache, which is a huge plus for me. If you were getting crypto exposure, you probably need to keep an eye on what's actually happening in the crypto market. If you want help and support with anything related to crypto, you can join my crypto investing community on School. You get free investing courses, you get access to my weekly newsletter that will hold your hand this year, keeping you fully up to date and telling you exactly when I'll be taking profit and why. See below in the description for the links. What you're also going to find in the description is a video that covers all the ways you can legally avoid crypto tax here in the UK. This is a video that I published a few months ago and so far has been my best performing video. It's clear that saving money on tax is a popular topic here in the UK. Summary. So there you have it, some of the best ways to invest in crypto tax-free in the UK. With Coinbase stock, MicroStrategy stock and VanEck crypto ETF. And you've also got a bit of info on how crypto tax actually works here in the UK. If you need help from a tax expert, speak to a qualified accountant or maybe a financial advisor. Which one are you investing in, if any? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe, all the good stuff, and thanks for watching.